Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to enable aeroplane mode in our Realme phone device. Guys, you want to enable your aeroplane mode, so as you can enable it. And guys, now let's see how to enable aeroplane mode in our Realme phone setting. So guys, I will show you guys in this video guys how to enable aeroplane mode. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you new in my channel and guys you are watching a video first time, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start the video guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting to enable aeroplane mode. Then guys, scroll and guys you can see your correction and sharing option. So guys, tap here and guys you can see your aeroplane mode. So guys, you can enable from here guys. Right side, tap here. So your aeroplane mode will enable. Then guys, you cannot use guys your mobile data and Wi-Fi setting guys will not connect in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you understood how to enable aeroplane mode, and guys you want to disable it. So guys, again come here and guys you can disable from here. So I hope friends you understood how to enable and disable aeroplane mode in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.